Start by typing Chilton into the search box, then choose Chilton Library subscription to begin, and click Go to Website. Then you'll enter in your Westerville Library card number, and then choose Westerville from the drop-down. Once inside the database, start off by entering in your information in the vehicle selector. The information available will vary depending on the car, but usually includes repair, maintenance, labor estimates, and bulletins. Let's start with repair. You can choose from the list, or you can type in a keyword of your choice. In this case, let's type in tire. Using a keyword such as this will show me everywhere in the manual that this word occurs for my car. In this case, I am looking for specifications on tires. Clicking on Specifications tells me the details about my tires, as well as instructions on how to remove it, which is what I want. Many of the instructions include diagrams, as well as information about the tools that you'll need, and all of them are printable. If you have a mobile device, you can also take screenshots so that you do not have to stay on the database to get the information. You can also find information by clicking on popular topics, such as brakes. Clicking on this will show you subcategories, which are especially helpful if you're not exactly sure what you're looking for. And as a reminder, you can change your vehicle at any time by clicking Select Vehicle. Another tab or feature is Maintenance, which will tell you when you should do routine maintenance tasks based on your specific make and model. Click on the Bulletins and Recalls button to see if there is anything out for your car. If there is, this bulletin can be turned into the car shop or dealership as an official notice. Are you studying to be a mechanic? The Chilton Library also has test prep for the Automotive Service Excellent Test. No matter the vehicle, Chilton Library and the Westerville Public Library have what you need to fix your car.